Good morning to everyone. Welcome to our social class. I hope you all enjoy the previous video. Before going the topic, I have one energizer for you. Children, slap both hands on your legs. Clap your hands. Snap your right hand. Snap your left hand. Repeat the rhythm 2 times. Thank you, Putties. Today we are going to see a new topic, plains. What do you mean by plains? Plain is a large area of land with no hills or mountains. Plain is a large area of land with no hills or mountains. There are plains are as well in India. The largest plains are known as the northern plains. These plains extend from the west to the east. This is a very fertile area as many rivers flow through it. Some of these rivers are Ravi, Beas, Satluj, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. The northern plains are fertile because of the soil brought down from the mountains and deposited by the rivers. Due to the rivers and the fertile soil, agricultural activities flourish and human population is very high in this region. The northern plains are known as the bread basket of India. That is bread basket of India, as the maximum supply of wheat comes from this region. The well-known cities that lie in the northern plains are Delhi, Jaipur, Amritsar, Chandigarh, Lucknow, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna, Kolkata. This is the image of bread basket of India, and this is the image of northern plains and rivers in India. Next we are moving to desert. You may be aware that a desert is an area that receives very little rainfall, thus few plants and trees grow there. The western part of India has such physical features. This is known as the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. The region is mostly covered with sand and lies mainly in the state of Rajasthan. Bikaner, Jodhpur and Jaisalmer are important cities that lie in the Great Indian Desert. The soil in the Thar Desert is partly rocky and partly sandy. There are small sand dunes in this region. These sand dunes change their shape due to strong winds blowing in the desert. Hence, one can see only shrubs and thorny plants that survive with little water. Babul, kikar and date trees grow in this region. What do you mean by shrubs? A plant which is smaller than a tree and has several main stems is called shrubs. Thorny plants means covered with thorns. That is covered with thorns is called thorny plants. This is the image of desert. Babul, kikar, date trees grow in this area. There are oases also in this desert. A lot of people here rear animals as an occupation since farming is difficult and limited in such conditions. Camels are used for traveling in the desert. This is the oasis image. This is the plants, thorny plants and shrubs. Okay, cuties, thanks for listening. Today one homework for you. Do practice zone 1 in book page number 14. Okay, refer your content book. Thank you, cuties. Keep safe. Stay home. Thank you.